Welcome back everybody. So on the lathe we have a 12-inch piece of rippled sycamore. So we're just marking out right now for the mortise, and then we are going to mark out for where we're going to put the foot. All right. So now we're going to get the lathe turning round, and we're going to get the piece of wood turned around. So we're going to start by using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools and get it turned to shape. Get some lovely shavings off of there. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to get to doing the mortise, and we're going to start with the mid-size B-tailer. Just find where the mortise is going to go. Change to the number 1 hollower just to hog it all out. The mid-size rougher to flatten everything off. And back to the detailer just so it matches the angles of the claws, so we can hold it on the truck. And look at that piece of wood. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so we're just going to sand up to 400 grit here. This is with cling spore abrasives. There we go. Give it a nice clean off now with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And we're going to start with a black stain. That's the intrinsic range from Hampshire Sheen. And we'll get that coated all over. There we go. And now we're going to dry it off. Now my preference is to use friction with a clean paper towel. So that's how I'm going to do it. So I'll usually run the lathe about 1200 and just hold the paper towel on there and just, like I say, dry it off using friction. There you go. Okay, so now we're going to do a bit of sanding. So I went from 320 here and then back all the way back up to 400 grit. We don't want to take all of that stain off, we actually want to leave some on there. Leave it in the grain. There you go, as you can see. Gonna give it a quick wipe down with methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And now to the burnt orange colour. Now we're going to cover the bottom of the bowl in that. And straight onto the friction drying. There we go. Quick wipe over with methylated spirits again, just to have a quick preview of what it's going to look like. And we're going to seal that in with some cellulose sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. I'll give that a couple of coats. There we go. And to finish the bottom off, we've got some Hampshire Sheen gloss finishing wax. So wiping that all over. And we start the lathe off nice and slowly, get a nice even coverage, and then buff it all in, making sure not to push too hard. You don't want to push off any wax that you just wiped. There we go. So now we're going about 1000 to 1200. Like I say again, you don't want to push too hard. You just want to buff it in, build up that heat. There we go. Lovely, lovely. Alright, so now we're going to move to the top now. Got one of my favourite cuts coming up now. Just to flatten off the top. We'll start with the mid-size rougher. Mesmerizing in this cut. There we go. Alright, so now we're just going to dome the rim so it angles out a little bit. And we're going to switch to the number 1 hollower and just bulk the bowl out. There's a mid-size finisher to take out any residues that might have happened. Just double checking with the fingers. Yep, that's good. Move the tool rest and on to sanding. So we're back once again to 400 grit. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol, clean the grain off. sawdust. Definitely one of the prettiest bit of sycamores I've ever turned. This is. All right, so I'm back to very much of the same as the outside now. So we're going to stain the entire inside with black. And go to the friction drying again. Sanding once again back up to 400 grit. There you go, leaving some of that stain in the grain. Bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some burnt orange. If you'd like to use any Hampshire Sheen products used in this video, there will be a link down below. Nice wipe over with methylated spirits once again. And some more sanding sealer. Once again, another couple of coats of sanding sealer goes on there. There's the cellulose wipe on. And finally some gloss wax from Hampshire Sheen. There will be some pictures at the end. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this week's video. If you'd like to share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies alike, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button and the bell and all that good stuff. And until next week's video, I shall see you then. Thank you very much once again for watching, and bye bye for now.